Hi, my name is Johan Lindell. I'm a maths and physics teacher. I got an engineering background from Stockholm, and I've been working at different high schools in both Sweden, Denmark and internationally. In physics in S5, we're going to continue to work on a lot of the subjects you've been working on in Folkeskolen. We're going to repeat some of the areas in energy, in mechanics, in motion and kernefysik. And all of you will get time to work on the parts that you maybe have missed out in Folkeskolen. In physics in S5, we work with theory, we do a lot of problem solving, and we do a lot of practicals. We try to connect the practicals to everyday life, so we kind of describe what happens when you throw a ball and when it bounces to the ground.
You go!
They're cheating!
Oh! Ah, that's a killer. Wow! Yay!
In S5 physics, we usually do practicals every second week, where we work together with our designated buddy or a buddy group, which we change from time to time in order to get to know everybody in your class. So we do practicals, and if you're really into physics and very interested, it's also possible to participate in different competitions and other projects.
Hi, I'm Connor and I'm in S5EN at the European School. So I've chosen physics in S5, and in S5 we have many great opportunities to learn about the foundations and the building blocks of more advanced physics. And we do this so we've learned about forces, electric charge and the interaction between resistance and voltage, and we've put the knowledge that we build theoretically into many practicals, especially with circuits and building circuits in order to power different things and calculating the resistance that's involved with it. And then during forces we talked about the velocity that a certain force generates, and we tested this with, we went out into the street and pushed someone on a bike, which demonstrated to us the impact that different forces have on us every day.
So in physics in S6 and S7, it's possible to choose physics 4 periods a week. And it's really important that you're into math, so you should attend advanced math in order to cope with the physics in S6 and S7. We're continuing the work from S5 with looking at different fields, electric fields, magnetic fields, gravitational fields. We're looking at waves, we're studying quantum physics, and also movement in 2 dimensions.
I plan on continuing physics in S6 and S7 because during those years we will go further into the aspect of physics that interests me, which is subatomic physics, so the interaction between things smaller than atoms. And the main reason why this is so compelling to me is the fact that it truly is the foundation of everything that exists. It's everything that we are made of, and everything that we interact with is made of, and why it is.
In physics in S6 and 7, we also try to get out of the school to visit different physics sites, or inviting people to come to talk about their research here at the school. We will also try to, or we are planning to do a study trip in S7, and we'll see where we will go. In the science subjects and math, we do everything we can to support the students. We have a homework cafe on Wednesdays, and of course you can always ask your teacher if you have problems solving your assignment at any time. Last week before the exam week we also had an evening with pizza and preparations for the exams, which was very nice. So I'm looking forward to see you here in European School and also in physics and maths.